Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use circular saw as a miter saw. So you take your saw and you adjust the depth of the cut to full zero, like this. As you can see, then you adjust your saw there where you want to make the cut and align with the angle, with the straight angle. Then you just make your cut when you free this lock nut and just plunge your circular saw as a miter saw. So I adjust the straight angle here and here because I want this part, and after that you make your you put your clamp like this here for safety and for your comfort, and then you make your cut. As you can see, I just tried and the cut is perfect. See, the cut is on the perfect place. And again, as you can see, the board is already cut and this is the cut. It's perfect. As long as it could be a perfect like this, but yeah. Thanks for watching.